Alright, y'all. Last cold start in the shop. Last drive in the FRS. This right here is my 2016 Scion FRS, and this was my first ever build, and today it's leaving my garage for good. But goodbye FRS. Crazy, man. Alright guys, we are going to call the winner of the FRS. I literally just got an email from the sweepstakes company with the new owner's details. Now this is crazy, this is long awaited. I ran this giveaway for like about a month. And yeah, I just got back I guess you can say the results or whatever. If you guys don't know, this is randomly picked from a sweepstakes company. So I personally don't pick it. A company counts up all your entries and stuff, and they randomly draw a person based on their entries. So got it right here. I have yet to tell her where this car is going. You wanna just know?
No.
Like just straight, or do you want a hint?
I just don't know where it's gonna go. So since we've been packing the orders, I have been seeing North Carolina a lot. I've been seeing Washington, and I've seen a couple of Floridas, and I've seen a lot of California.
It was cool, like as we're packing, we're like, oh, I wonder if it's gonna go here.
Yes.
Or like, yeah, we've just been like guessing while we're packing orders.
I'm nervous.
It's crazy because I literally remember packing this order.
Oh my God, you packed it?
Yeah. Or do you want to guess? You want to hint? I honestly think this is a place that you said you've been wanting to go. It's on the East Coast.
Are we going to Jersey?
No.
Oh, on the East Coast. Oh my God, it's in New York.
We're going to Boston.
Oh my God, we're going to Boston? Shut up.
Well, it's like a town next to Boston. It's called like Milford or whatever, but like Boston's like right there.
I've never heard of Milford before. Clifford?
No. Oh man, East Coast again, bro. The beers went to Kentucky.
God.
Aside from Maine, like this is as far as you can get, I think.
Oh my goodness.
Like it's actually crazy.
That's crazy. We're going to Boston? What is there to do in Boston? Okay, I'm gonna need y'all to leave like comments of what to do, what to see.
It's so far.
Damn, where are we going? Freaking Italy?
All the way
Oh,
up
we're
there.
so far.
It's literally across as far as you can go.
And what did this person buy?
They bought a hoodie. One hoodie.
That's crazy.
Yeah, this person bought a BMW hoodie. One. And literally won my FRS.
Have you?
That's actually crazy. How should I call this guy? So I surprised Vladimir that won the Beer Z. Just called him and I was like, yo, like I got a question about your order. Just like making sure you got the right size. I was just playing it off. And at the end I told him, but like how should I do it? I don't know.
It's just gonna be kind of sus because you're a California number. Just tell him that you wanna talk about his car's extended warranty.
What? How am I gonna go from that
Tell him
and
you're a
transition
Jehovah's
to the
Witness.
giveaway?
Just tell him that he's on War of the Roses.
What should I say? I don't know what to say.
Say my underwear got packed in a package and you need it back.
Should I just call him and be like, oh, like my system didn't recognize your address. I'm just calling to make sure you received it. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Bro, I feel like I'm a stutter. I'm nervous. Like I'm like literally shaking right now.
Wait, the number you dialed has been protected.
I've never heard that before.
This is kind of weird. Alright, so I wasn't able to contact him, but he replied about an hour later. Yeah, he finally replied. I messaged him on Instagram. I'm gonna try to give him a call right now. See, hopefully he answers this time. Alright, round two. Let's see if he answers this time. Hello?
No way, bro.
Is this Jake?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my bad, bro. I wanted to call about your freaking, because my website's been like glitching out, and I've been getting like hella like emails back from people saying like, yeah, like their stuff hasn't been delivered or like their tracking numbers like all wrong. So I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, no, I just actually replied to your DM. Yeah, no, I just got it, man.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, super cool, super cool.
Good to know, man. Yeah, I'm low-key stressing over that stuff, so I just wanted to make sure, like, first and foremost.
Yeah, no, I love the personal reach out and stuff. It's super commendable.
Yeah, man, anytime. How's the weather over there?
Massachusetts sucks. Bro, I
It
hate it here.
Right now, really?
No, I mean right now it's finally getting good, but no, the mornings are like low 40s and whatnot, and then like halfway through the day it's
Wow.
like 80. So it's like,
Does it snow? It snows over there, right?
oh yeah, bad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why I got a WRX, and then, you know, watching YouTubers, I'm like, shit, I gotta mod this thing. So
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Well,
it's
I
all
hope.
cool.
Well, I hope an FRS can like handle the snow a little bit.
What are you saying?
No, I was just saying like I hope an FRS can handle the snow.
Are you telling me what I think you're telling me?
Dude, you're the winner, bro.
Shut up, bro.
I promise, bro. You are chosen as the winner of my FRS.
I'm trying not to swear because I'm probably being recorded right now.
I can edit, bro. But yeah, man, I'm recording.
Oh, no way. No
Yeah,
way.
man. You're 100%. I'm not even joking.
I feel bad because I have my phone to block unknown numbers on. I'm hanging out with my girlfriend, and I'm like, why is this number from California calling me 6 times? Like, bro, I'm wicked sorry.
Yeah, man. I was just trying to play it off, but I was just telling you like, nah, you're the winner, bro. Did you fall for it or no?
Oh no! I was like, oh, in the past I always checked on an order, like surprise the giveaway winner, whatever.
Yeah.
But no, not.
That's awesome, dude. But yeah, congrats, bro. I don't even know what to say, but you are, yeah, bro. You're officially
FRS.
picked as the winner, man. I'm excited.
Bro, that's insane. My
I'm happy
friends are gonna
for you.
lose their shit.
Yeah, I mean, long story short, I'll have the sweepstakes company email you. It'll be a couple like documents you have to sign and all that.
Yep, cool.
They'll probably reach out to you within the next couple days. Yeah, man. Once that's all squared away on your end, then I can officially like ship it out to you. So yeah,
Crazy,
it's
dude. I
official,
entered
bro.
so many giveaways, and then towards like the end of my at the end of the FRS. No, actually, I think it was earlier on.
Yeah, I saw you as like a weekend.
Yeah. I've been watching that car since it was like red.
Really?
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's been a while, bro.
That's
Yeah,
so
when you
cool.
had the red WRX or whatever. I think
Wow.
around that's when I started like daily watching you. Like,
No
every upload.
way. Yeah, I was gonna ask
That's
like
insane,
when you
dude.
started following. Dude, that's awesome, bro.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
Dang, dude. Well, dude, congrats, man.
Congratulations.
I'm glad it went to
Thank
you. I'm glad it went
beyond
to
stoked.
you. looking forward
Oh my
to
God.
heading out to the East Coast again, and yeah, man, we'll keep in touch for sure.
Yeah, for sure, brother. All right, brother. Thank you. Have a good night.
All right, you too.
Bye.
Yeah.
Oh
Crazy. I didn't know he like followed me like that. That's cool.
Dude, that just makes me feel so much better
Yeah.
because it's going to
He's-
someone who wants it.
Dude, he's so genuine. You could tell.
Yeah, he's a good man.
Dude, I'm excited for him.
Wow.
That's
God.
I'm probably gonna cry when I give it away.
Yes.
But on to the East Coast again. I'm excited.
Congrats to Jake.
I know. Congrats, Jake.
Congratulations, you are the second winner
Yes, sir.
ever.
Congrats
Hopefully.
again, Jake. And we'll see you soon in Boston. It's crazy. It's been a while since the last clip you guys saw of me calling the giveaway winner. I've been really busy behind the scenes traveling to like different shows. So I've been trying to find a perfect weekend that we can go out to Massachusetts to hand deliver the FRS. And that weekend has finally come. So I'm flying out next weekend, but today I just got a call from the transport company and they pretty much told me, Chris, we're ready to pick the FRS up so we can drive it all the way to Massachusetts for you. Crazy, man. I feel like it's just gonna start hitting. Like, it didn't feel real that I actually gave away like my first build ever. But just like the first giveaway I did with the BRZ, like it didn't really hit until like the moment they picked it up from my house, you know, to ship it out. So I think those feelings are hitting right now. It's actually like happening, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, man, as of tonight, the FRS is leaving. The soil is raised on, you know, I freaking built this car like so long ago, man. I built this car almost 10 years ago here in San Diego, and it's going off to its new owner. It's got a long trek, but kind of sad, man. This is wild. It's gonna be weird not seeing my FRS, you know, at home. But yeah, this is gonna be really weird. There she is, guys. Final day in the shop. Dude, this does not feel real, bro. This is weird. But yeah, man. Can you guys seriously believe it? Like, I gave away this car, the FRS, that essentially started this whole channel. As I stated in previous videos, I have plans to rebuild another FRS, bigger and better than this one right here. I got plans. I don't want to spill too much of the beans, but FRS content will be gone, but not for long. Don't worry, guys. We'll definitely be back into FRS, but in order to make that happen, unfortunately, this one had to go. I know it doesn't sound like it would make sense, but part of the business, you know, to make room temporarily for things and to make stuff happen, and there's a lot that goes into YouTube and all that. You know, as much as I would love to keep this car. All right, y'all, last cold start in the shop. Just kind of doing my final cleaning, just getting everything out of the car. Got like license plates and stuff, random stuff. Cleaned out the trunk. As you can see, it's just the trunk setup. So much of random stuff out of here. Bottle of sanitizer. Guys, I keep a whole bottle of sanitizer in every single one of my cars in the cup holder. Boom, right here. Whenever my hands are dirty, pump gas, boom, hand sanitizer. Chris Borges Essential. Hand sanitizer in the cup holder. Start a thing, guys. Let's put hand sanitizer in our cars. Let's be more clean. What else do I have? Some gloves I haven't used yet. When I pump gas. Phone mount. I always have this phone mount. It's like a Scotch phone mount. Scotch, I need a sponsorship, man. I put these in every single one of my cars, past and the future builds. This is my favorite phone mount. Magnetic one. Boom, you just stick it. And sometimes I do it for the airlift too. Like, I just stick the airlift one on because I have the magnet back here. But yeah, got the GoPro mount. I'll probably just keep on there just for him to have. Wow, this has been in my car for so long. Whoa, dude, look at this Polaroid, guys. Wow, this was, I think, one of my birthday cruises. I forgot what year, but this may have been my first ever birthday cruise. This is crazy. I wish I had a date on this. I wish I wrote it, but look at that. FRS back when it had the red paint job, V3 kit. Wow, this was wow, this is a very long time ago. Of course, can't forget, my mom actually put this in my car for me. This was like a chain that I had. I was really young when I had this. She put this in my car a long time ago, but this like piece right here goes back to when I was like a kid, so definitely special. Always got to keep Jesus in the cars somehow. But yeah, I think that's it, man. All right, y'all. Last drive in the FRS in San Diego. Just enjoying it, because literally this is just weird. I just got a phone call from the truck driver. He's actually waiting at my place to pick it up. So yeah, man, just this last drive from the shop to my house. I feel like I'm a broken record, but I don't know. It's just so surreal. Like, I'm just trying to take it in. These are just like, it's like literally the streets that I just like evolved as a, I guess, like car enthusiast, you know, just going through all the phases with this car. Like, this area I'm driving in is just, I know it, obviously, like, I live in this area, but I feel like when I think about this area, I think about just like the FRS. Like, I don't know why, I just have been around it my whole life, you know, just building this thing, driving it, having fun with it in this area. And fun fact, I used to deliver for Pizza Hut. I'm sure you guys probably know this by now, like the OGs. But I used to deliver for Pizza Hut, and guess what I delivered in? I used the FRS, so I feel like this car covered every single square foot of this like whole like area of San Diego. So I don't know, man. This car has a lot more, you know, meaning and value to me than what you may see through the videos, you know, just like taking it in. And oh man, that sound, I'm definitely gonna miss that sound, bro. We made it to the truck. Got a nice enclosed trailer this time, so should be away from all the elements, all the way to Massachusetts. It's literally such a far drive, bro. My little story post last time in San Diego. Not me tearing up making this story, bruh. I gotta stop watching this. Now I'm like thinking like, did I leave anything in the car? I hope I didn't. Pretty sure I got everything out. But goodbye FRS. Crazy, man. Next time we'll see it will be all the way in Massachusetts.